guys, so second day of Vlogmas, but it is actually December 3rd. Ooh, why did I turn my light on? I didn't even realize I did that. It is actually December 3rd, so I'm going to be filming some just random videos, I guess, throughout this week, so you guys can get another Vlogmas. You guys really seem to like that, so really excited to do that. So today I think we're just going to try to find some like at home sort of like crafts to do. I don't know, to keep myself busy, do something. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I was gonna go to Target. Should I go to Target? The struggle. I know if I go to Target I'm gonna spend a lot of money. Should I go? I want to go. Honestly, I really want those, like, they have these gluten-free like little dumpling things, and I have been craving them, so I kind of want to go for that, but I don't know if I should go because then I'm gonna buy more stuff. And do I really need more stuff? No, but I want to go, so I might take you guys along. I'll see if there's nothing really for lunch here, then we're definitely gonna go there, I promise. So I just finished filming a video, and if you guys do like what you see, then I literally, this isn't even like all the stuff that I use. This is just, I just did finish filming a KKW little video and like first impressions. So I just finished filming that, and I have to say I really like this. Like this lip combo. Perfect. I'm obsessed. So let's see if we can, first let me clean this up, and then let's see if we can get something for lunch. I low-key really may go get that thing from Target. I think that's what we're probably gonna do. It's just so good. Just so good. Let me clean now. Okay guys, so before we go off to Target, which I think that's what I'm gonna do, I actually just wanted to do a little like DIY and see like what I had, what I needed, because if anything I can go ahead and run to Hobby Lobby, which is like super close. So I just wanted to go through here. This is like where I keep all of like my arts and crafts kind of stuff. I have like two little canvases which I needed. I think I have some like paint. Is paint in can? Does acrylic paint go bad? We're gonna test it out. I could not sleep last night like at all, so I wanted to make some like Christmas decor. Like we didn't set up for Christmas at all yet. It's only December 3rd, but still, like everybody else is like always decked out, and we don't have anything up at all. So I wanted to see if I can make something. So I have some brushes here, so that's definitely something I need. And as far as colors, I have peach, silver, like a purple. I have white. Yes, this is the color I was looking for, white. So I have white. Okay, yeah, I pretty much have all the colors. I have red. Yes. Okay, so perfect. Yeah, I have like all important colors. So I think I want to do, I don't know if I'm going to have time to do it today, but I definitely want to do something with that stuff for like a Vlogmas type video. Let me see. Yeah, okay, perfect. I don't need back because maybe I will have time. I think Ivan's going to be coming over around, he said between 3 and 4, so I may have some time, probably not. I mean, I can always do it Friday and then just keep this vlog kind of like short, simple kind of stuff. So just like a daily thing, kind of boring, but that's probably what I'm going to do, just so I have some kind of content. I want to try to vlog as much as possible, but I know that I'm really not doing anything right now, so I want to make some fun. So I think I'm going to go off to Target so we can get that gluten-free like dumpling thing. Oh, they're so good, guys. And maybe if other like few gluten-free like frozen snacks. So I'll probably do that on my phone because I don't want to bring this camera into the store. I'm excited. I really, like, I literally could not sleep last night. So I wanted to show you guys. So I don't know why I couldn't sleep, but I just could not. I've been up since 2, so I'm like exhausted. And I just tested out the new KKW like concealer and stuff, and it did your girl some wonders. It really did help me out. So let me see. Christmas DIY. Oh, I also saw this really cute one where is it? You could like make your own gingerbread house made out of cookies. So I'm gluten-free, so I really can't use like actual like cookies or whatever, but I found some like it was like use different types of chocolate, so that's gluten-free, so like we could do it. But I saw that. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick that up. Is it too dark? Let me see if I can brighten up my phone. There we go. I thought that was cute. That's just like a little tree, something very simple, easy to do. I also saw this, which was really cute, the Joy. I really want to make that. I feel like that's really cute. I mean, I have stuffer too. I saw that, which was cute. This is really cute, the Snow Place Like Home. That was adorable. I actually really want to make that as well. I mean, I have a few options. And then this was really cute. That was hard. This is really cute. And it says, in this home we laugh, we play, and jingle all the way. I thought that was adorable. So I only have 2, so I don't know which one I want to do, but I want to hang it up on this wall because this wall is like very, very blank and plain. So I feel like that's usually where we hang our stockings. So I feel like it would be really cute to have other stuff up there too, just to make it look like extra like holiday-y. I thought that would be really cute, but I don't know which one I want to do. I really like the Snow Place Like Home. I thought that was really cute. And then the ornaments were adorable too. But then I really like the in this home we laugh, we play, and jingle all the way. I thought that was adorable. And then I'm also waiting on Ivan's Christmas present. I'm not going to tell you what it is because he actually watches my vlogs, but I'm waiting on his Christmas present. I did order it and I'm so excited. So I hope that it gets here before he does because he's going to be nosy and he's going to look. I know. Sorry, babe, but I know you are. But I'm basically done with Christmas shopping for everybody else, which is like super surprising because I'm done pretty early this year. But yeah, that's actually really good. So I could always do Hobby Lobby and then Target. Maybe I'll do that. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and let's get going, guys. So I meant to tell you all this yesterday, but it was the first official snowfall in New Jersey yesterday, December 2nd, and I was supposed to get a video of it, but by the time I was done doing everything I had to do, it was nighttime. So we are now at Hobby Lobby and I am ready to go get some at-home kind of decor kits, I guess, if they even make them, but let's go in, guys. Found it. I wish they had something like that. It's just not burlap. Is this all purple? No. That's what I want. I just want to see if they have it in half. All Masters Touch. Oh no, that is half off. I'm now going down this aisle and literally I'm obsessed. I want to make everything. They have so many cute things. I want to make something. Looking for kind of like a cup. Like a vase, I guess is a better word. Just to make like a little arrangement like that. I think that's just so cute. Okay guys, so I finished at Hobby Lobby and I got some really good stuff. I definitely bought more than I intended to, but that's totally fine. I have I wanted to do those canvas things, so I got the 3 canvases. I felt like the ones that I had at home were a little bit too small, so I did go ahead and I got that. And then I went ahead and I got I wanted to make little mason jar type just little decor things to put on the table, and so I went ahead and I went a little ham on some of the things that I got there, but I'm really excited to do it. I got 2 big ones and 1 small one. I'll show you guys when I get home, but I think it's going to turn out really, really well. I'm super excited and I hope my mom will like it. I feel like it's just something fun to add to the Christmas decor and just like the first things, and I make it so it's like from the heart and really cute. And everything was 50% off, so that was amazing, and I feel like that's why I was just grabbing and like little things and be like, okay, okay, let's go. But that's totally fine. If I have like leftovers, I know I do have some mason jars. I could always fill them up for the holidays, so that's fine. And now we are at Target, and we're gonna go ahead and get my little lunch because I'm starving. So I want to get that, and then I want to look and see if they have Haley's Beauty foundation, and then I'm done. That's it. Maybe some more gluten-free snacks, but besides that, I'm done. That's it. I promise. Let's go. And here we are. Straight up to the makeup, and they have Haley's Beauty. I just want to see if they have that shade. I got either got 4.5 or 2.5. So I went to Target the dumplings, and I was trying to vlog, but it was just so busy. So I went there for the dumplings, and they didn't have them. So I'm really sad, but I did get some other gluten-free goodies that I'll show you guys. Literally just a bunch of freezer foods, just because they're really easy, and sometimes, like, especially lunchtime, I really don't want to cook, so it's just easy grab go, and they're really good. So just for like once in a while, just a little splurge, pretty good. So I will show you guys when we get home. And now I need to go keep track of that stupid dumpling thing because I've been craving it. I want it so darn bad. So I'll be home in a minute, and I will show you guys what I got. Hey guys, so I am home, and I got some gluten-free stuff. So I want to show you the gluten-free stuff first. Then I need to eat because I am starving, and then I'm going to show you guys what I got at Hobby Lobby. And if you hear that, those are the birds. So this is like literally just all gluten-free, like frozen food, which I know isn't the best for you, but sometimes, you know, you just want it. So I did get just the Udi's gluten-free supreme pizza, and then these were 2 for $7, which I think is like an amazing deal. So I got, this is Amy's pad thai. This is dairy-free and gluten-free. This is actually really good. So I picked up 2 of those because they are delicious. Then I picked this up. This is new. I haven't tried this. This is the broccoli and cheddar bake bowl. And then I also got the Chinese noodles and veggies and a cashew cream sauce. And again, gluten-free. So some gluten-free things. Really happy. And then I got this, which is probably what I'm going to make right now. Just like maybe 3 because dinner is going to be soon. But I'm so hungry. So I got these, and I was really looking for the, what are they called? They're just the vegetables pot stickers. They are so darn good. I couldn't find them there, so I guess they were sold out. I couldn't find the empanadas, I couldn't find the egg rolls, and I couldn't find, they have pad see noodles. Couldn't find that either. So I just went ahead and got this, and I want to see if I could like try to buy this online because those like pot stickers are so good, guys. And then I went ahead and I did pick up this foundation. I think this will be a pretty good match. This is in the shade 4.25 with a neutral undertone. The other one I was gonna get, but it just looked really like light for me. So let me go ahead and see if this will actually match. Oh yeah, this will probably match me. It's a little bit too dark, but no, actually, I think that's like the perfect match. Maybe a little dark, but nothing crazy. I ordered it from Macy's, and Macy's said that it was like on back order and that they didn't know when it was would be able to deliver for me. So I actually am going to see if I can just return that or cancel that order because I don't want to wait like a year and a day. So I'm gonna make this right now because I'm starving. Okay guys, so while my food is heating up, I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So I did pick up this really big board. It was $30, but it was actually on sale 50% off. So it's $15. I really wanted to do that really long quote on here, maybe do some like snowflakes, really make it pretty. So I got this. I'm probably gonna need more paint for the background, but we'll get to that when we get to that. So I got that, the little ones for the other 2 little quotes. I think that would be really cute. The big one we might put next to the tree with maybe like this, and then we can hang one up on the wall for at least the holidays. So that's cute. Then I'll show you guys these 2 of the bigger ones, and then I got one little baby, and they were each, this was $5.99, this was $6.99, and this was $6.99. And I thought this kind of top went with our living room because we have a lot of like wooden type of things. So I got that, and that was 50% off as well. Just little accessories that I got, which is where I think was like the most. So I probably went overboard with the snow, but I got 5 things of the snow. Probably probably too much, but we can always add it for like different types of decor in the house, if anything. Then I went ahead and picked up 3 big Santas. So they're fairly big, like bigger than the rest of the things that I got, but that's totally fine. I got little snowmen. These were 50% off too, and they were each probably like $2. These were probably like the smallest, but I couldn't find any other trees. These were $2.99 and they were just so cute. Then I got just presents. I got more snowmen. I got these cute little like candy type things. And I got white paint and then red paint because I thought that would probably be what I would be using the most. I picked these up. I thought these were so cute. These were just little like light bulb flatbacks, so just little like fake lights. Then little ornaments, little candy canes, which are so cute. And then I got some snowflakes. And then just little reindeer. So I feel like this will be really, really fun. Really excited to do them. I actually might do that probably Thursday and then maybe paint on Friday. I'll see, but I want to make 2 different vlogs for you guys because I want to try to vlog as much as possible, and I feel like those would be really fun. So I'm trying to commit to once a week making a vlog for like Vlogmas, but it probably will be more. But I'm just not saying that yet because I don't know how things are going to turn out. But thus far, I'm just going to say once a week minimum. But I'm super excited with everything that I got. I feel like those little things are going to be so cute. And I'm really excited to make them. So this is probably just going to be the end of the vlog, I'm going to be honest, because I feel like it is just showing you guys what I got. And I know it's kind of boring, but I definitely do want to break this up so I can make more vlogs for you guys. So I hope you guys don't mind the shorter videos. I'm just gonna eat lunch now and like do nothing, just chill. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this little vlog. I know it's short, simple, but really fun. So I hope that you guys did enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you do like what you see, so you could be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty. And if you hit the post notification bell, you can get notified of all my future uploads. And that is it, guys. I will see you all in my next Vlogmas. Bye.